So these 2 bedrooms on the left, we will keep them there.
We'll have the spare bedroom, then there's nursery. The main bathroom will predominantly be used by guests.
The riskiest bathroom tiles we've ever done. Ugh, oh my God.
What's going on? I'm having a bad day.
So renovating is all about where you spend and where you save. And I really think with these 2 front bedrooms, we can save a lot by structurally leaving them how they are. The space that we're looking at to place the bathroom in will be in the extension. And I'm pretty sure that we're going to end up with a reasonably long but quite skinny space. So that really lends itself to doing a wet space bathroom, which I know Bonnie loves.
And so this bathroom here is toilet, vanity, bath.
So that's the main bathroom, guest bathroom, main bathroom.
Yeah. Now we'll need to put a window in this bathroom. There's only one wall we can put it on, but unfortunately it's going to look straight into the neighbour's fence. So I'm not sure how we'll get around that yet.
This is dropped, isn't it, to allow for the tiles to all build up. That is so important.
Yeah.
Who remembered to do that?
The concreters.
The concreters. It's a winner.
It's their job.
The bedroom which remains, I mean, it's really the easiest renovation we've nearly done.
Bon and I have had quite a few discussions about these 2 front bedrooms on the left. The first bedroom is a reasonable size.
Okay, so none of these walls are changing except for the one behind me, obviously. That one's been a change.
Yes.
What was here, a window?
Yes. So taking out this though was creating the facade we needed.
So you've more done this change for the facade than for the benefit of inside this room.
Because it's already got a window, so it doesn't need an opening. So technically we could board this up. Unfortunately, where the window is positioned, you look right next door to a car park. So what I think we might end up doing is gyprocking up the wall and moving the windows or even possibly French doors to the front of the property. Bed head, storage. You know, I put my hand up for storage every day of the week. Now the second bedroom behind, I must say it's small, but it has a really big built-in robe. And one of the best things to do there is to leave it as is and just put on a new door and a beautiful door handle.
Okay, this is a very small room.
As with any reno, and particularly this one, we have to keep the budget in mind.
This room is just about trying to make it feel as big as we possibly can in the space that we have. Single bed fits nicely.
Yeah, or a cot.
Yeah.
If someone wants to have a baby, not you, by the way, you've had enough.
And it would be perfect for a toddler's or a baby's bedroom.
It is what it is. You know, every house has one of these rooms. So Bon, what are you thinking in terms of layout?
Well, layout's so important in the functionality of your bathroom, but I plan on jumping on Reese's website. They've got a 3D planner there.
Yeah.
Really, really useful tool. You know, you can actually visualise what your bathroom is going to look like.
Yeah, and it's important because you can't get that wrong and easily fix it.
No.
Like, you've got to get your layout right.
You do.
I'm standing here in the section of the house where the extension begins, and so we've made use of the space and we've got 2 linen closets either side of the main bathroom. Now relocating this linen closet was super important to me personally because I know people need storage. So I haven't actually shared with Bonnie that the linen closet is taking up space from the bathroom. I've just given her the floor plan and the dimensions and got her to design it. So I don't know if she's even going to notice. We have a bath straight ahead, centered under the window. Then we have a shower string coming out here to create a wet space. So we've got the shower and the bath all together in that wet space and the toilet in the corner. So it's a pretty decent sized bathroom.
Lance,
Yes?
I have to show you this Tile Club website. Is it not the prettiest tile website you have ever seen? And then it's just so easy to use, like shop colour, shop shape.
I like the idea of green in a bathroom.
Yeah, well it goes with the house.
Yes.
But what I'm thinking for this bathroom is I'm going to do herringbone again, and I know that I've done that before.
Yes.
But I'm going to layer it with different colours.
Oh my God, look, it's over to you, but can you make sure you touch these things?
5 tiles, $5. Delivered to
Oh,
your door.
samples.
Yes.
Okay, thank God, because if you don't get samples, you're going to change your mind when the tiles go up.
No, well,
and Erin is going to die.
I'm going to get $20 worth of samples.
Okay.
Yeah, is that
Good,
right?
that's money well spent, thank God. Oh my gosh, the main bathroom ceiling is amazing.
Did you think it was going to be flat?
Yes, I'd never pictured that the new ceiling would come in here, the extension. Oh my God.
Isn't it good?
Oh my God.
So Bon, we're tiling in a couple of days.
Have you seen it?
I was there when you chose it. It's the riskiest bathroom tiles we've ever done.
She's colourful. She's very, very, very colourful, this one. My head's doing little like whirlwinds with this house. I just kind of, I feel like I go, yes! And then I go, oh, yours doesn't look horrible. I don't know why, but I'm just absolutely questioning myself. What's going on? I'm having a bad day. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Yep. So it'll be pretty much those colours in that order in a herringbone pattern across the wall up to the top of that cladding. So with the actual pattern itself, when you actually lay it, the grey is to go first, if that's okay. So exactly what's there is exactly the pattern to go on all the walls.
All right. So this is the pattern that we're gonna put.
Yeah.
All right.
Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh, the green herringbone in the maid bathroom is gorgeous. It's just, and that's the thing, Bon goes and picks these, I guess you could call them bold tiles, which she did at her house as well. There was a lot of variety. And I think most people would find it very hard to pick that off the shelf and see the whole vision, but she just has that ability to do it. And it's absolutely beautiful. The bathroom space has really come to life, I guess exactly how I imagined it would.
This is so gorgeous.
Yeah, love it.
Love
hey.
it. Are these all from Reese?
Yeah, all Reese. All right. What? Oh, I thought that was a problem.
It is bold in its colour choices, but I think it's got some real class to it. You know, I think the black tapware just brings everything like kind of back down to earth again. I just love it. I think it's beautiful. Oh my God, the vanishing.
With all the fixtures and fittings in, that beautiful black tapware from Reese and the bath, it now all looks amazing, and we've got some competition to those crazy bold tiles, and it's all looking really good, and I think Bonnie feels the same.
The other bedrooms I don't even know about yet. I just haven't even designed them.
Bedrooms are always a bit of an afterthought in our renos. I feel like we hardly ever talk about them because they just seem so much easier than all the other areas, but they're coming along beautifully.
So when you were here last week, it was just a wall.
Yeah.
And now we've decided to put robes in. We
It
just
looks
want
like they've been there all along. It looks so built in.
Yeah, we just
You
want
know?
more storage. So, you know, we've really transformed this room. The first bedroom, as you walk in the property, is just such a beautiful space. And I did get my way, and we got a whole wall of storage.
So I'm trying to style the guest bedroom, and I've jumped onto realestate.com.au, and they've got this article on how to implement fluted glass in your home. And I now think I want to use it in the guest bedroom. It's kind of got that like Art Deco-y kind of feel. And I love this gorgeous pendant light that has steel and black. You know, that bedroom is really relaxed. The whole space is quite soft and muted, but then it's going to have this bling of this fluted glass sitting over the centre of the bed. So although that main bathroom is quite punchy with the greens, I wanted to connect it back to that spare bedroom, and so we've painted, you know, the wall in that beautiful soft green, but it's really subtle.
Oh, Jesus.
So come on into the nursery. It all began with this camel print. So Bonnie chose this first, and then all the rest of the colour schemes fed off the print. We went for a two-tone paint scheme. So this we used Dulux wash and wear in Shetland lace and Shetland lace quarter, and just created that little bit of contrast because this room didn't really change much in structure, so we wanted to make it super cute. Anyone who's got a little baby will know it's really important to control the light. So having a window covering is crucial. And we've got this really versatile one from Luxaflex where you can pull it all the way down and it can block out the light. But then you can also open it up from the top just to let a bit of light in. So it's really cool, and it's also insulating from heat and noise. So to save a bit of money, we didn't put in a new wardrobe, we just upgraded the old one, and it looks fabulous. It works fine. Open and close, oh there you go, a few spare pillows in there. bub or toddler as they grow up are going to spend a lot of time down here. So a playful, colourful rug is great, but what's even more important is what's underneath. And we've chosen this 100% wool carpet from Godfrey Hirst, and it's so nice to have a natural fibre in here. So the guest bedroom is finished. Come and have a look. Do you feel calm? Because you should. That was the whole idea around the colours and the styling of this room. So for the wall, we chose Classic Calm by Dulux. So this room originally had a window here, but we decided to get rid of it because the view wasn't great. And we've put in some beautiful French doors on the side here, so we've still got the ventilation, and then we can make a real feature of this wall. And then we've brought in all those beautiful colour tones through the cushions, the bed linen, which is very soft, and the throws, all of this from Freedom, including the rug, which has a real vintage vibe to it. And when you paint your wall a bold colour like this, it can really bring out your skirting board. We've left the in-trim skirting board white, and it really makes a feature. And this room did have some built-in robes when we first started the project, but we realised we wanted to put in some new ones, and these are really inexpensive. They're just some doors from Bunnings with some beautiful handles, and the wardrobe's inside. We can't be accused of only doing white when you see this bathroom, but it's so gorgeous. It is so different to anything we've done before. It is an explosion of colour and patterns. You know, these tiles that we got from Tile Cloud are the boldest we've ever used. You know, you've got all your tones of greens, greys and creams in this herringbone pattern. And then it goes around to a jade green wall just to, you know, tone things down a bit. And on the floor, we've kept it dark and moody with these finger herringbone tiles in black. So we wanted to bring as much natural light into this bathroom as possible, but it was a bit tricky because the view outside is not great. It's straight to the neighbours. So what we've done is we've got a combination of these poly satin shutters. Behind the shutters, we've used this decorative glass from Viridian called Scala, and it just brings a bit of that old Hollywood glam, and it also blocks out what's on the other side of the glass, which isn't very attractive. We often get asked how to fit a shower in a small space, and rather than putting it over the bath, we actually love to create a wet space where we have this shower screen here, and then you shower behind it. It's not really enough space for a normal shower, but because it overflows onto the bath, it feels huge, and it just works really well and fits in beautifully with our black statement bath and tapware, all of it we got from Reese. And last but not least, my favourite aspect of this bathroom are the really tall ceilings that we showcased by using the Sky-On Axon all the way up to the top. So in the entry of the home, we just need to open it up, and we're going to make it a lounge room and a dining space.
They're just so loud.
Erin!
I'm denied about what to do with these windows here.
I honestly don't know.
You can't be dramatic all the time. Oh my God, Hardy!
I said no.
Oh my God.
Why? Are you disappointed?
I'm very disappointed.